Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious macaroni salad. So guys, here are a list of the ingredients for this recipe. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a complete measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. So to get started guys, I'm going to add 1 cup of elbow macaroni, a pinch of salt, at least 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to go ahead and add that to a pot of boiling water. So after 3 minutes of boiling, my macaroni is pretty much finished. Next step, you want to go ahead and add your mixed ingredients: mayonnaise, black pepper, sugar, and also your chopped vegetables. So guys, for this recipe I'm using grated carrots, also Dijon mustard, which will definitely add an extra kick to this recipe. Next, you want to go ahead and thoroughly mix your ingredients together. So guys, I hope you gave this delicious macaroni salad recipe a try. So tasty. Do keep in mind I will leave the full measurement below in the description box. Also don't forget to like and share this video. So after mixing, you want to go ahead and cover it and place it in the refrigerator at least 20 or 30 minutes before serving. So here we are guys, my finished dish. As always, thanks for watching. Delicious macaroni salad. Until next time.